Greetings, my dear people. Thank you for the many of you that reach out to me asking me what is happening. We have not seen you online here for quite a while. Thank you for doing that. Everything is pretty okay now. Today we're celebrating the feast day of the Apostle Matthias. How many of you remember the story of the former Nigerian president Goodluck Jonathan? So when Goodluck Jonathan was devised the deputy governor to Dipre Alamesea, Diepre became, convicted of financial misconduct, and Jonathan became the governor. And then after he became the vice president, and the president Yaradua died, and he became the president. So he always stepped in for someone who is ahead of him because of some unforeseen circumstances. Today, Matthias is like that Jonathan. Matthias is the one who replaced Judas Iscariot after Judas betrayed Jesus and he went to hang himself. So we look at the first reading. The apostles give us a condition of who is supposed to take the place of Judas Iscariot, the one who had been journeying with the apostles right from the beginning, the one who knows the inside, the one who knows the narrative, the one who is capable of also preaching the gospel, not because he's just a newcomer, but because he really was there at the beginning, therefore knowing what the gospel means and how to preach the gospel, especially by sacrificing his life if there arise a need. My dear friends, we too sometimes can be like Matthias, or we can be like that Jonathan, where we just come into power where we did not expect. Have you ever asked yourself this question, that what you are today, no one believed you will become this? Not even you yourself, you were convinced of who you have become today, especially when you have become someone very positive, someone of great influence, someone upon whom people look, to find example and to become a model for them. So when we ask that question, that I have I ever imagined myself being here today, then we see how the grace of God can work in us in ways, especially that we could not possibly see or we could not have seen in the past, except that we risk something. We risk something in the past that I might make it. And then the I might make it or not becomes I am going to make it and I have made it who I am today. Today, we pray that through the decision of St. Matthias, we too may be expecting our own success, our own golden opportunity, not to rule over people, not